Hello, my fellow time travelers. Where do you want to go this time? Antarctica. Splendid choice. Let's set the temporal coordinates. What if I told you that beneath Antarctica's icy grip lies a continent with secrets so profound they influence the entire planet? I'm Professor Time, and today we're journeying into Earth's last true wilderness to unveil hidden depths and an enigmatic past that shapes our future. Are you ready for this frozen adventure? Here we are in modern Antarctica. Look around us, endless white plains stretching to the horizon. But don't let this icy surface fool you. Beneath our feet lies a continent twice the size of Australia, with mountain ranges taller than the Alps and valleys deeper than the Grand Canyon. This hidden landscape influences ocean currents worldwide, regulating our planet's climate like a massive natural thermostat. But wait, something's wrong with our temporal readings. We're being pulled back through time. Hold on tight. We've landed in 1915, and there's a ship trapped in the ice. It's the Endurance, and that's Ernest Shackleton himself. His crew looks desperate. They've been trapped for months, and their ship is being crushed by the ice. Shackleton approaches us, his face etched with worry. "Strangers, thank goodness you're here. We need to abandon ship, but how do we survive on this frozen wasteland? My men are losing hope." "I know exactly what to do. Shackleton, you need to establish camps on stable ice floes and use the ship's materials to build shelters. The key is understanding ice movement patterns, something early explorers learned through trial and error. Working together, we help Shackleton organize his crew. We show them how to read ice conditions, identify safe camping spots, and ration supplies effectively. Through their incredible determination and teamwork, they'll survive 22 months on the ice, one of history's greatest survival stories. Shackleton grasps my hand firmly. "Your knowledge of ice behavior saved us. This continent demands respect, but it also teaches us about human resilience." As we return to the present, I realize something profound. Those early explorers like Shackleton didn't just survive Antarctica. They laid the foundation for today's scientific understanding. Their courage opened the door to discovering how this frozen continent regulates global weather patterns, stores ancient climate records in its ice, and harbors unique ecosystems beneath its surface. Antarctica remains Earth's greatest natural laboratory, where scientists today continue the work those brave explorers began. Every ice core tells a story, every discovery shapes our understanding of climate change, and every expedition reveals new mysteries waiting to be solved. What an incredible journey through time and ice!